Hi friends. So in today's stressful life, we keep on searching for some relaxation options. So I have one very easy and very useful relaxation option, and especially in this COVID times, we can't go out much, and this steam bath is very portable and it can be assembled in home, and you can use it for relaxation. So I'm not endorsing any product here. This is just to help you guys and show you the demo, how it is assembled, how it can be used. That's the objective. So one more time, I'm not endorsing, and before using it, or let's say while you use it, if you have any kind of issues, just stop it there. You can find the benefits of having steam bath online. We are not going into that, but the primary objective is like how to assemble it and how to use it. It's very simple. Okay, so let's move on. So when you buy a steam bath, you get these things. It's nothing complicated, very simple to assemble. So you get the steam bath tent kind of thing. You get these four plastic pipes, and then there is one more pipe which will attach this nozzle to this part. So this is basically a steamer or a heater, so you can see when you open this. So you will have to pour the water, and don't fill it up completely. I will give you the demo in a while. And this is the button. When you want to start, just do this clockwise, and you can see the timer has started. And when I will show you the demo when we start this, the power button, the heater, etc. But this is the basic components you get when you buy this. Okay, so let's assemble this tent. I have a cute little helper here. Okay, so let's start assembling this tent. As I showed initially, we have these four pipes, and there is a provision, we can put this pipe in here so that the tent has a support, and just fix it. We have one on the back side. Ria, can you hold it tightly? One on the front side. And now, as you can see, there is a zip. Okay. And the last rod, you have to put it in after you go in. So you need maybe a help. So what we can do is just zip it. They comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. And you have a couple of zips here. You can, take out your hand if you want. And then once this setup is done, just, put it. All right. So you're all set. Yeah, you can use a little chair, to sit. I'm just showing the demo. Now we'll move on to the steamer, but this is how you assemble it. So let's pour the water, and make sure you don't completely fill it up. Yeah, this much is enough. And once this is done, close the lid tightly. We have not started the power yet. And once, and attach the one end of the pipe here, and the other one, this part, it goes like this, and this end goes here. So you just have to put this in and tighten this. So this is how the final setup will look like we have not started the power. So this pipe goes like this. Make sure it is properly tightened, and then inside this you can see there is this pipe which will give you the steam, and make sure the steam is not directly coming on your body, so it is set in this position. Now the power is switched on. You can see the red light for power and the green one for the heater. I have set the timer for 30 minutes. It is enough. Now we have to wait until the steam starts coming out of this pipe. It will take maybe 5 minutes. Now the steam started coming. You can hear the boiling water noise. And let's check it out. You can see. Make sure this nozzle is in the right direction, not coming directly on your body. So this is all set now for steam bath. So the steam is coming inside. Make sure you take off your clothes and you put some oil, so that you don't get off with the dry skin. So this is wonderful. You can take it for 15, 20, 30 minutes. At any point in time you feel any issue, just stop it right there, and drink enough water. Thank you. This is the most relaxing part, inside your home. We don't have to go to the gym or anywhere to experience this. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. It cost me around 7,000 rupees. I will post the links in the description, but ensure that you take it from the authentic seller or a dealer, because there are some frauds on Amazon. They will show you this picture and they will send you something else. So ensure that the seller is authentic and the price is between 7 to 8,000. You might get discounts, I'm not sure, but I will post the authentic link of this product. I'm not endorsing it, just to help you out, and enjoy, guys. Thank you.